So the first 6 months in Kali Consult, I prepared a set of 7 manuals, which is what I did. I just talked to Pratap sir ki has kasं. So we had a set of 7 manuals with that and the CDs what we used to go ahead to the hotels. So that was a lot of fun. We did a lot of projects in Kathmandu, so that was a lot of fun. We used to go to Nepal very often. I used to come to Mumbai office, so I used to meet Satish, I remember, a few people here and there. And I left in '95 when my daughter came, and since then.
Taking all of us together.
Actually.
He takes you?
Oh, yes.
This is unfair, Karan. Forget me next time.
Private privilege club.
Oh, I see. So what is the membership?
Working with, I always thought it was, I'm part of it, and it's a family. And okay, I don't know whether he remembers, but even Nikki's name, because when I was in Delhi and I used to hold her in my hand and that. So I think the name was suggested for her, Neha. That's her name, right? Yeah. So was suggested by me. I think I remember it like that. I don't know whether
No, don't go that far. Okay?
I do. Because my sister remembers.
Because she was born even before he joined.
No.
Yeah.
No. She was born. She was not born. She was born in which year?
No, I know.
I know. She won't tell me.
She was born 1981.
That's the exact same year. We joined. Kali Consultants started then. For me, it started then. In the end of 1981, I joined. Okay, anyway.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? Hi.
So I remember the last train had already gone because Vipul, our meeting had gone beyond 7:30 or something like that. So only train was available was a passenger train. Okay, so I took that last passenger train which starts around 11:30 in the night, and by 5:30 it reaches Pune. So I think second class berth 5:30, but I couldn't sleep the whole night because we got touch contract. That was something really.
मी सायली दामले, आधीची शुभांगी जोगळेकर. ॲक्च्युली माझ्या आयुष्यातलं स्थित्यंतर दोन्ही लेव्हलला एक म्हणजे नावाचा बदल आणि एक जागेचा बदल हा काळे कन्सल्टंटच्या साथीने सुरू झाला. ॲक्च्युली काळे कन्सल्टंट्सशी नावाची ओळख माझी पहिल्यांदा ब्रिज कँडीपासून सुरू झाली. ब्रिज कँडीमध्ये तेव्हा ॲक्च्युली काळ्यांचं कमर्शियल नातं राहिलं नव्हतं जेव्हा मी ब्रिज कँडीमध्ये काम करत होते तेव्हा. पण तरी मधू बऱ्यापैकी वेळा यायची. काही आधीचे प्रोग्राम्समध्ये प्रॉब्लेम्स असेल तर त्याबद्दल चर्चा व्हायची वगैरे. असं अशा खेळीमेळीच्या वातावरणात तेव्हा
I joined. Name. नाव नाही सांगितलं. सगळ्यांना माहिती. Just joking.
So that's why I didn't tell him because
नाही.
I joined Kali Consultants on 28th of June 1983.
Can you remember the date also?
Of course.
I remember my first salary was.
These are some of the special people.
Quite a few people know quite a few things about me.
I've seen an appointment letter also.
At
Sometime
point
back.
of time,
By the way, that was signed by me.
Yeah, appointment letter. I think I'd seen it.
so
That time all the appointment orders were reader. And therefore I signed you.
Now I get it.
thank you so much.
He remembers. तू काय शिकवलं मी तुम्हाला?
he used to teach me operating systems and projects. He taught me PERT, CPM plus bit of Fortran.
Bit of what don't you think?
No, Mr.
Gadre used to
Then
do.
he used to teach and then he took over.
My association with Kale, I mean, talking about Kale Consultants, not with Mr. Kale. It was well before Kale Consultants started. Really speaking, in 1979, when I joined, when I joined university, I think later on 6 months or 7 months later, Mr. Kale joined. Since then, I know Kale. I then, after going through a couple of companies otherwise, I joined Kale in 1986, 1987. Still association with Kale was continuing since 79.
Joined Carlyle KCPL that time. I was Carl Consultants Private Limited, 1992. After completing my master's degree, we, myself and my twin brother Rajiv, we both joined. Thanks to Kutkar and people, we got a break. Actually, we joined banking division, and for initial 2-3 years I was in the banking. Then moved to airlines side. My twin brother.
निवडणूक आलेल्या दिसत सो फाईन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड इव्हनिंग गुड आफ्टरनून वेळ कसा जातोय कळत नाही त्यामुळे गुड इव्हनिंग बोललो पण गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल हॅपी न्यू इयर सगळ्यांना मी मराठीतच बोलीन थोडंसं आपली फॅमिली आहे गेट टुगेदर आहे अँड आय नो विपुल अँड गुरु नाव quite well understand Marathi. Long years they have spent in Mumbai. So
And in Pune also.
and Pune also. So definitely, but I want to talk in Marathi. खूप आठवणी काळे कन्सल्टन्सच्या आहेतच त्याबद्दल काही वाद नाही. काही ठराविक प्रसंग जे माझ्या आयुष्यामध्ये घडले सुरुवातीला ते खूप महत्वाचे आहेत. ते तर मी सांगेन. प्लस मला असं वाटतं की आता मी काय करतोय आणि माझ्या मुलींची प्रगती काय करू शकलो हे सांगितलं तर खरं तर अपेक्षा अशी होती की प्रत्येकाने ते सांगावं म्हणजे आम्हाला त्यांची पुढील पिढी काय करते ते त्यांच्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवून आहेत का वेगळा मार्ग निवडलेला आहे हे आपल्याला कळलं असतं पण मी ते सांगणार आहे त्यामुळे थोडंसं माझं भाषण नाही म्हणता येणार थॉट्स असं म्हणूया आपण पण ते थोडंसं लांबेल
सगळ्यांना
भरपूर वेळ आहे आपल्याकडे काय डोंट वरी अबाउट इट मला माहिती आहे आपण खूप लेट जेवलोय त्यामुळे तोही काही प्रश्न नाहीये सो मी जेव्हा नोकरीला लागलो आणि इंटरव्ह्यूला गेलो होतो तो महिना होता एप्रिल 86 आणि एंड ऑफ एप्रिल होता साधारण शेवटचा आठवडा असेल आणि मी काळे कन्सल्टंटच्या माईम ऑफिसमध्ये 18 मध्ये गेलो होतो मला 2 जॉबच्या ऑफर होत्या तेव्हा एक मफतलाल मधनं होती आणि दुसरी काळे कन्सल्टंट्स मध्ये होती की आपण कविता करू शकतो म्हणून ती कविता करायला लागली आम्ही तिला प्रोत्साहन दिलं प्रत्येक वेळेला असं सांगितलं नव्हतं मी कधी की तू हेच हो तू तेच हो रॅट्रेस मध्ये पडू नको नाहीतर मग तेवढ्या लेवलला आपल्याला जायला पाहिजे फक्त शिक्षणामध्ये तुला जेवढे मार्क आता मिळत आहेत ते 90च्या वर असतील तरच हे करायचं एवढंच तिला सांगितलं होतं तर त्याप्रमाणे ती वागली धाकटी वागली तसंच झालं आणि तिला एक आवड निर्माण झाली वाचनाची आम्ही तिला पहिल्यापासून आवड खूप निर्माण केली होती वाचन ती खूप करायची मी तिला खूप पुस्तकं मराठी आणून दिली त्याचं तिने वाचनही केलं होतं भरपूर आणि नंतर आमच्या असं लक्षात आलं की ही कविता खूपच छान करते मग तिचे 2 कविता संग्रह आम्ही आतापर्यंत प्रसिद्ध केलेले आहेत आणि नंतर ती रुईयाम कॉलेजमध्ये तिने ऍडमिशन आर्ट्सला घेतली आणि ती नाटकाकडे वळल्यानंतर तिची खूप नाटकं
I am running my own company, a small firm. I give an advisory and consulting services to some large customers or large companies. And I think I'm just using my experience and learning of Kale. So thank you so much. And I mean, just to talk about my family, I have one son who's in Seattle now. He's a software developer. He did his computer science engineering as well as MS, and he's now working in a company called.
थोडे जॉब केले आणि 80-81 साली BSc कॉम्प्युटर सायन्स हे निघालं होतं कोर्स निघाला त्यात आम्ही जॉईन झालो म्हणजे मी होतो नंतर करमरकर आहे आम्ही खूप लोक जॉईन झालो त्यावेळेला जे आम्हाला शिकवायला जे होते त्यात काळे सर होते त्याचं एकच लेक्चर झालं तर इतकं अफलातून झालं होतं की म्हटलं असे यांची जर कंपनी असेल क्यूबी
titration, all titration, simple information, green molecules, and outdoor principle which Vivek had developed while he was at university. And when I was recollecting what was unique about education is that we are still perhaps the only IT player. Maybe TCS was there for a brief, but not many companies can boast to have traded in that venture, which is a very unique one, and I had a major contribution there.
BBC Microcom.
Yeah.
It programmed that.
रोहितची एक आठवण म्हणजे नुकतेच कॉलेजमध्ये जॉईन झालो होतो. वर्ष दीड वर्षानंतर तो एका कोपऱ्यात बसायचा, फ्लॉप्या घेऊन बसायचा आणि एका सुईनी किंवा टाचणीनी भोकं पाडत बसायचा. आम्हाला कळायचं नाही हे नक्की तो करतोय काय, आपला एकटाच रवी आहे आणि तो भोकं पाडतोय. आम्ही असं थोडंसं जरा मजा करायचो. पण मग नंतर लक्षात आलं की ही वॉज सिक्युरिंग दोज फ्लॉपीज ॲट दॅट टाइम by making holes to floppies one particular sector which he knows very well. So it was getting secured floppy.
Actually, that was an indigenous copy technology.
Yeah.
Copy something.
Copy production.
Yeah. Yeah. So it was like that time.
Because the branded floppy was available, which used to have a laser burning mark on the floppy. And then the program would, find out the address and write that in the FAT, file access table.
So one fine day I asked him, and he said yes. So then Mr. Kirker, who is a great visionary, great leader, I think I really admire him a lot. But he wanted to break us apart. So he gave a tremendous, absolutely unimaginable offer to Vipul as well as to me. As luck would have it, both of us had told him the same thing. We had given a word to each other. That's all. Both of us told the same thing without talking to each other, that I have given him a word and now I can't take it back. So that's how we came together. And I think that bond has stayed more than 41 years, as well as professionally. Personally, because I have seen each one of you blooming to your fullest potential. And that was my first dream. To see each person coming in contact with me to develop to their fullest competence level. Number two, we saw dreams together. You made it bigger, better, and faster to realize. So thank you for that. Number three, we rode lots of waves of fame and despair together. You stuck with me during that entire phase like a true family member. So you are really my family, and that's the reason I wanted all of you to be here today. Because before my family